Hey guys, today's topic is straight fire. How to make your first $1,000 with AI from zero. No experience, no fluff, only real talk and real cash. Alright, here's the deal. AI is already replacing tons of jobs. That's a fact. People are losing work. But you know what? That's also a massive opportunity. The ones who figure out how to use these new AI tools first won't just survive, they'll thrive. Like seriously making good money. Alright, do me a quick favor, yeah? Before you forget, hit that subscribe button and the little bell. Seriously, it takes just a second. Quick heads up. I've noticed a lot of influencers keep pushing Shopify and Etsy as ways to make money with AI.
AI digital art really be a legitimate side hustle?
Shopify stores are built.
Etsy store that's making $50,000 a month.
$21,000 per month selling mugs on Etsy.
To create a Shopify store that made me $600,000 this month alone.
Let me be real with you. That stuff is not for beginners. Like at all. If you've got zero e-commerce experience, you're just gonna burn cash and get frustrated. Seriously, it's not the right move when you're starting out. So let me show you some actually doable methods that work, even if you're starting from scratch. Oh, almost forgot. I put together 50 ready-to-use prompts for the most popular AI tools, and they're totally free for you. These prompts are straight fire. Even the pros are using them. The link's in the description. Grab it while it's still free before I change my mind and start charging for it. It's seriously valuable stuff that'll help you understand how all this works way faster. Alright, let's get into it. First up for beginners, audio mixing with AI. You know, back in the day it took years to learn how to mix audio properly. I've been there, but now? There are insane tools out there that let you start doing it in just a couple of days. No joke. And people pay good money for this. Podcasters, YouTubers, musicians, they all need clean pro-level audio. Let's test one of these AIs. Testing AI for sound enhancement. Testing AI for sound enhancement. I have such a record, let's try to improve it. Let's start by adding our audio. Here we can select different presets, but I'll choose the first one. Press start and wait for our sound to be processed. Testing AI for sound enhancement. This is what our original audio sounds like. And here's how the processed. Testing AI for sound enhancement. Testing AI for sound enhancement. Testing AI for sound enhancement. You might not hear a huge difference, and that's just because the original audio was recorded in a pretty good setup with solid soundproofing, which most people don't have. So yeah, with just a few clicks, you can deliver amazing sound for your clients, so give it a shot. Now let's move on to the next idea. Alright, idea number 2, viral video clipping. Here's the thing, there are tons of podcasters and content creators making long-form videos, like an hour or two of content. But guess what? You can cut those into a bunch of short, punchy clips for social media. And here's the crazy part, those clips often get more views than the full original video. Wild, right? Right now, there are AI tools like Opus Clip and Clip Wizard that can automatically find the juiciest parts of a long video. You know, those emotional moments or when someone drops major value. And here's the play. You offer this as a service. Take long videos from creators or brands, turn them into short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. So I grabbed a random podcast. Let's give Opus Clip a spin and see what it can do. Here you can either upload your own video or just drop a link. I'm gonna go with the link. Just hit Get Clips. It's gonna cost 67 credits. And now we wait while our video gets processed. Alright, it's done processing. Let's see what we've got inside. Boom! Now we've got our podcast chopped up into bite-sized clips, ready for short-form videos. Oh, and yeah, all the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, the third idea is straight fire. You can start your own short-form video channel. And guess what? AI can do almost everything for you. No joke. Take a look at those channels with pandas and other cute animals. You've seen them, right? They're pulling in millions of views. And guess what? Most of the work can be done by AI. It finds trending topics, grabs the right clips, edits them, even adds voiceovers. All you need to do is supervise the process. But you know what? You can actually make something way more interesting than those videos, and I'll show you how. Find the image you need. You can generate it using any AI tool like Midjourney or Leonardo. Now let's upload the image we need into Runway. Writing a simple prompt. Let's choose the vertical resolution. Let's generate a few videos from different images. Here's the video we ended up with. Now let's remove the watermark from our video, for example, using Vmake. Let's generate a voice in ElevenLabs.
Pandas are official professionals at doing nothing.
The voiceover is ready. Time to start editing. By the way, you can generate music too, but we'll just grab a free track from Pixabay. Now let's edit our video. And here's what we end up with.
Pandas are official professionals at doing nothing. Their day is strictly scheduled. Eat bamboo, roll down a hill, accidentally fall, munch some more bamboo, and fall again.
The fourth idea for beginners is super simple. Selling ready-made prompts, meaning instructions for different AI systems. Look, there are platforms like PromptBase, Promptist, and even Fiverr where you can sell prompts. What exactly do you sell? The right instructions for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others. Most people don't know how to get what they need from AI, but you do. For example, you can create a set of prompts for marketers or designers that help them quickly generate the texts or images they need, and then you sell those prompts over and over again. Alright, now for those who already know a thing or two, the fifth idea is creating chatbots using ChatGPT and other AI models. So, right now, there are tons of platforms like BotPress, FlowXO, and Chatfuel, where you can build chatbots without any serious coding. You literally drag and drop blocks, set up the logic, connect the AI, and you're done. And guess what? Businesses will jump at this. They need bots for customer support, sales, and employee training. They're willing to pay big money for this because it saves them even more. Topic 6. Even cooler, AI agents for automating business processes. Sounds complicated, but honestly, it's not that hard. Imagine this, an agent that automatically generates cross-platform content for your social media. That's just insane, and it's not science fiction. You can already do this today. There are tools like N8N. It lets you build autonomous systems to solve real business problems, and companies are willing to pay crazy amounts of money for this because it saves them tons of time and resources. You have no idea how much they're ready to spend on solid automation. And the seventh topic, the coolest one, is creating your own AI-based product. This is where you can really take your income to an entirely new level. What could it be? Literally anything. A niche app, a plugin for popular programs, or some kind of SaaS solution. For example, a tool that automatically processes photos in a specific style, or a system that generates unique content, or an analytics platform for a specific industry. The possibilities are endless. And you know what's the coolest part? You don't even need to code anymore. There are platforms like Bubble and Webflow. They allow you to integrate AI models via APIs and create real products without deep programming knowledge. The key is to find a real problem in your chosen niche and offer a great AI-powered solution. Alright folks, these were 7 real ideas to make your first $1,000 using AI. And remember, technology is moving at such a crazy pace right now that if you start today, in just a couple of months, you'll already be ahead of 99% of people. This is honestly the best time to dive into this world. And don't forget about the 50 killer prompts I've prepared for you. They'll seriously save you tons of time. The link's in the description. Grab them for free. I made them as universal as possible. You'll find everything there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let me know which idea you liked the most and what you'd love to see in future videos. I actually read all the comments and try to reply to everyone. Alright folks, see you in the next one. Bye bye.